Let's face the reality. AI is one of the best opportunity to make money in 2023. If I have to say, the best opportunity to start a business in 2023. When I started to hear about AI, I was so intimidated. So I took 3 days to stay in my home for the weekend, learn everything that I could about AI and learn how I can make money with this revelation. I was really shocked but what I found with this AI revelation. After working so hard, spending hours on different blogs, watching a lot of videos, talking to some people for knowledge, I was able to identify make money with this AI in 2023. You see this phone here? This is what I gave to myself when I was able to make money with those methods that I used for 2 weeks. And if you have no experience, no money, you can replicate the same thing and make enough money online. And this is what I'm gonna show you. Let's go. I know many people are very scared about AI because they think AI is gonna steal the job. But the truth is, AI is gonna be there for long. So if you're a business owner, you're someone who wanna make money, and you wanna stay in business, you really have to adapt to it. Remember when crypto started? Everyone was so skeptical about this thing. Conclusion? A lot of people make money, some don't. The same thing happened to e-commerce. Some people took advantage of dropshipping, Amazon FBA, they made money. Now it's becoming more and more difficult to make money. So you really have to adapt to it, guys. So a few years ago, the same thing happened to e-commerce. Some people were very skeptical about e-commerce. Some people made money before Amazon FBA. Some people made money before drop shipping. Conclusion, now it's becoming more and more difficult. So the earlier you get in the trade, the easier you can be able to make money. But the most important thing, you really have to understand how to use it. This is the absolute way to make money online with AI in 2023. Number one, in this great product here, Google Home, Alexa, iMessage, and so on, there is someone that decided one day to start this chatbot and make money. So those companies, they have a lot of big budget, they have money they want to be able to spend in technology. If you know how to use chatbots, be able to make money. And what is interesting about those chatbots, you don't need to be an expert at writing code to make a lot of money. AI chatbot is free and simple to use it. The only thing you will need is to have your computer and have a little bit of knowledge of how to do an integration to a website. And the platform you need to go is chatbot.com. Very simple to use this platform here, and you're gonna be able to contact some business, local business, and make a lot of money. There's another video in the description that I show you how to do it. Do this carefully. If you are a developer, if you know how to write code and you have a little bit of knowledge of writing games, you can make a ton of money by simply writing script using Chatgpt. What you're gonna do, you're gonna have to ask Chatgpt to generate you some script, and you're gonna be able to use the script here and make money with this. But one thing you have to understand, Chatgpt is not gonna write the all script for you. You need to add a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of experience inside. So if you have no experience, this is not for you. I'm not among those people who's gonna tell you you're gonna use Chatgpt to write all script and it's gonna make everything for you. You need to add a little bit of yourself, because imagine the number of people is gonna go to Chatgpt, write the same thing. We all gonna be in plagiat. No. This is in French. Go back again. We all gonna be in copyright. So you need to have a bit of experience, knowledge to be able to make money. Only using this gonna make you money, but it's gonna make you more efficient. Let's stop for a moment. This advice that I'm gonna give you is probably one of the best advice you will receive to make money with this AI. Stop for a moment and ask you this: when was the most wealthiest people on the world made money? The moment they made money is either when there is a trend or when there is a recession. So right now there is a recession and there is a trend, which is the AI. You really gotta have to think twice how you can be able to use that to make money. But the most important way to make money with this thing, you're gonna be able to learn how to create this AI. When you're gonna know how to create, you're gonna make more money. You have a business, you can be able to implement AI to your business and make a lot of money and save you enough time. Help you to write AI can help you do a lot of things, like if you're using ChatGPT, it can help you to write a description for a product, especially if you try many products each time. Or maybe if you want to write some emails to your clients and you want to personalize this one, you don't have to spend time writing all the emails. You can use Chatgpt to write the email for you and personalize that using the name or anything you want to be able to. You see, you're going to save a lot of time doing this. Let's talk about YouTube automation for a moment. About using Chatgpt to generate you an entire script for your YouTube automation. But the reality is AI is not going to be able to replace human. Truth is, even if you use AI and you pay for higher services, YouTube one day is going to be able to identify that you use AI and you will get your channel demonetized. Now, let me ask my Google what they think. Google, what is your opinion on ChatGPT? Google, what is your opinion? ChatGPT is an amazing service, but you really gotta know how to use it. It can help some businesses in HR filter all the resume they get from the candidate. So the AI will be trained to know what the company is looking for in the hiring process, and anytime someone go to the application, the AI will do everything for them. This platform is going to help you to write and optimize articles for business. AI writing articles for those businesses for you. And another website for SEO people, the platform is called SEO Power Suite. It's going to do the same thing. You have API access, backlink API, free backlink. The last way you can make money with AI, and I don't see enough people talking about this, it's to be able to use AI with data analyst. As a data analyst, you have a lot of data to be able to comprise and do any analysis. So if you know how to do it with the AI, it's going to save you enough time and make money. And if you want, you can develop a business around this and serve that to some companies. So that's pretty much for today, and thank you guys for watching. If you love it, please let me know in comment. If you like something, let me know. If you don't like it, please let me know why you didn't like it so I can improve the quality of the video.